Alright kids, welcome to Flipit Bacteria. Today you and your class will learn a little bit more about infectious bacteria. Over the next 2 days, you and your group are going to research an infectious bacteria that infects you or I. So, let's begin. First, you and your group will research 5 specific bacteria. From these specific bacteria that you research, you will choose one bacteria to do your presentation on. You can use the classroom laptops to do your research. Right now, you probably have a lot of questions. What should we research? There are so many different types of bacteria, and there are so many different parts of the bacteria that we could research. So, to make this easier, I want you to think about when you are sick. Okay? What are the symptoms? What does it make you feel like? Do you have a fever, upset stomach, nausea, diarrhea? From here, you probably want to know what caused you to get sick. So, is it a bacteria, a virus? You'll also want to know about the treatment. How do I get better? And maybe some places to avoid or how to prevent this bacteria from infecting you again. Right now, you're probably even more worried. Where do we start? How long do we have? When is it due? Today, you will research and brainstorm about your bacteria. You will pick your one infectious bacteria and you will do some research. Now, you don't want to all run off and do your research right away because that will leave no one to create. So certain people should research and certain people should be creating. Now, you are going to create a flipit like the one you see here. First, I would create a draft of the different slides that you want to create. Second, after your draft is complete, you can put that information on the 8x11.5 pieces of white paper that will be provided for you. Now, if you get your composition books out, I'll give you a little more detail of what I want on each slide. What is expected? Your first slide should have some general information about your bacteria. What is its scientific name? Maybe where is it located? What environments does it like best? The next set of slides should talk about where it comes from or what causes the bacteria to contact your body. Maybe it's in undercooked meats or eggs. You're also going to want to have a slide on symptoms. How does it make you feel? These are going to be your nausea, your diarrhea, your fever, your chills. What does that bacteria make our bodies feel like? You're going to want to have a slide on treatment. What is it going to take to get better? And lastly, you're going to want to have a slide on how to prevent this bacteria from happening again because you don't want to be sick again. I'm looking for about a 2 to 3 minute presentation. Now, tomorrow you're going to have time to practice your presentation and record your presentation on the computer. You'll have about 20 minutes to do this, so you will need to work fast. Now, don't forget tomorrow to bring your cell phone or a video camera to record your presentations. Also, you'll want your cord to hook it up to your laptop computers. Now, if you do not have something, there will be some classroom supplies available for you to use. Applause.